Hi guys! This is Dave and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Recently, Apple released a new product line which is meant to keep track of your stuff like your wallet, keys, luggage, and so much more. For today's video, we will unbox and review this Apple AirTag which retails for 1,690 pesos for 1 pack while 5,790 pesos for the 4-pack variant. Let's start unboxing. Inside the box, we have the usual paperwork, plus the Apple AirTag showing the Apple logo from its back. So how does it work? The AirTag sends out a secure Bluetooth signal that can be detected by nearby devices in the Find My network. These devices send the location of your AirTag to iCloud, then you can go to the Find My app and see it on a map. The whole process is anonymous and encrypted to protect your privacy. To set this up, just pull the plastic tab and once you hear a beep, the battery is connected and it's now turned on. Place it near your iPhone until you see this pop up from your device, then tap Connect. Name your AirTag, then Continue. Enable additional AirTag features by sharing your iPhone's location, then use this iPhone. Register AirTag to your Apple ID, then Continue. Click View in Find My app. From here, you may play sound on your AirTag, click directions on how to reach your AirTag, and enable Lost Mode where you may set Notify when found and leave a message so you may still retrieve it. Enter your phone number and message, then activate. You may also rename your item and remove it from your Apple ID. For the precision finding, it will only work with iPhone 11 series and above because of the U1 chip. This uses Bluetooth Low Energy, Ultra Wideband or U1 chip for precision finding, CR2032 battery that can last up to 1 year. And lastly, this has IP67 water and dust resistance rating. As you get nearer to your AirTag, it plays a beep and a haptic vibration on your iPhone. Depending on your use case, you may need an AirTag holder like this one so you may easily attach this as a keychain to your items. AirTag is designed to discourage unwanted tracking. If someone else's AirTag finds its way into your stuff, your iPhone will notice it's traveling with you and send you an alert. After a while, if you still haven't found it, The AirTag will start playing a sound to let you know it's there. These alerts are triggered only when an AirTag is separated from its owner. To replace its battery, twist its cover on a counterclockwise motion, then pull it until you see the CR2032 battery. And that's it for the unboxing and review of this Apple AirTag. For comments and suggestions for future videos, please leave them all at the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, please click the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and turn on the notification bell so you will be updated on my next uploads. Thank you and stay safe. Bye!